Folks, um, I think it's fair to affirm that it's a very dangerous thing as a short seller to think about getting into a meme play, a meme stock right now. Because we've seen what happened today or in Tuesday, March 29 with the halt, all right? Right after the halt, the stock jumped 15%, meaning it's getting harder and harder for the short seller to keep the pressure down or to keep the prices down. Why? Because first of all, you have fear of missing out. Second of all, the short thesis is gone. It's destroyed. And what is even more interesting and dangerous for them, even besides the market conditions, the money policy, the Federal Reserve actions for interest rates, besides all of that, we've been covered numerous times here on this channel. Besides that, there is something mysterious, something unknown, which actually act as a very interesting catalyst for this short squeeze play with AMC. And I'm talking about what the CEO has in mind for the future of the company. All right. So let me share with you something before we get further into this road. I picked this up on Twitter 1 hour ago. Freedman, he's the CEO of HI. Or is it the CEO of HI? HI, yeah, he is. Anyway, it doesn't matter. He's a communication sector head. Yeah, communication sector head. You can see it here. Right. It doesn't matter because the point is, he's saying that the danger of shorting meme stocks is here. It becomes a very risky proposition as a short seller to hold on to those positions, because you don't know what CEO Adam is going to do. All right. As I mentioned with you many times now, the Highcroft Mining company, all right, Highcroft Mining company that CEO Adam Aaron invested into couple of last week, all right, dispensing $28 million. That was a 22% stake into this company, which was looking for liquidity. And AMC has liquidity. AMC has more than $1 billion, almost $2 billion worth of cash sitting there waiting to be deployed, because this is really a war chest for a company such as AMC. So anywhere they find an opportunity to make money, they will jump on it, but not blindly, because there is a management guiding and leading this company. And the guy is a smart man. The guy went to Ivy League school, and he has numerous leadership skill set that he was able to demonstrate when he was in the NBA with the Philadelphia 76ers or with Carnival Cruise Lines. The cruise line sector. Bottom line is, because people or the public or the market, especially short sellers, don't know what the CEO has in mind for the transformation so far on the company, it gets even dangerous, because what if, let's just take the short example here with Highcroft. So far, AMC has already more than double the amount of money they invested into Highcroft company. So on paper, because they haven't sold it, maybe, I don't know, maybe they sold today, I don't know. But if they were to cash out on that initial investment, which I don't think they will do that, because it was something that seemed to be kind of a well-designed game plan, right? But just today on paper, they're already more than doubling that money. So what if by looking at Highcroft company here, it goes back to $7 a share, right? $7 a share. Or let's just say 10. At $10 a share, AMC is almost 10xing the amount of money they invested. So $28 million by 10 multiplied by 10 is $280 million. All right. So what do you think they will be able to do with such an amount of money besides reducing debt, which I don't think, that might be a point. But what if they also use that money to get more involved in the NFT space or in the crypto space or in any other investing in any other company, like the GameStop did with Bed Bath & Beyond, turning that money into another war chest that can potentially end up with buying a dividend. I mean, as soon as we hear the news around getting a dividend from AMC, this will be, I don't know, it will be mind blowing, the reaction of the market on this. All right. So just think about it in terms of, well, this is like, the wild card that may happen. And we are not, it's not out of the picture. This can definitely happen. Would it necessarily happen? Nobody knows, because nobody knows exactly the plan that Adam Aaron has. We only know that there might be some other M&A or partnerships, or transformation plans coming up in order to revamp, the profile of AMC as a company. All right. So that being said, anything can happen with AMC. It may come from that, it may come from something else, but the point is, as a short seller, it doesn't make sense even holding your positions as of now, because you just don't know what can happen tomorrow. You just don't know why the AMC CEO can, or the company can announce, which will definitely bring you on the cups of getting burned once and for all. So as an investor, what I'm doing now is just getting patient. Even if it, drags another 6 months, I have time, which short sellers don't, because time is money. See what I mean?